Hello everyone, it's Shelly Graves here with your virtual success tip. Today's tip is a brand new online graphics program called Canva. It's been around now for probably about 2 months. It's in beta and it's completely free. And I just wanted to show you a few of its features because it comes in really handy when you're trying to create good blog graphics. As you'll see from this main screen, after you create your account, this is what you'll see. This main screen shows the different types of designs you can create. You see they have everything from a regular 8.5 by 11 document all the way down to a business card. What we will be creating today is the blog graphic. So the first thing you need to do is click on the blog graphic. You will be taken immediately to the canvas where you can choose a template if you like, or you can just go from scratch using this plain white space right here. But the best thing to do probably is to choose one of these templates. You'll see here on the left they have several different types to choose from. And once you choose one, let's say we'll choose this monitor graphic. Everything about this image can be personalized, from the background color to the font color, the font type, everything. The monitor can be changed, the color of the monitor can be changed, everything. And let's see, what we're going to first do is change the color of the monitor. You'll see here that once you click on the specific element of the graphic you want to change, this little box will pop up, and if you click that box right there, the color box, it will give you all the different colors, preset colors that have been created in this graphic. If there's not, your color that you want is not here, you just simply click the plus sign and this box will come up. If you know the exact color number, you can just put it in, like I'm going to do here. This is from a color from my blog. There you go. Otherwise, you could just play around with this little circle here until you get to a color that you like. Okay, we're going to say, I'm just playing around here just so you can see the functionality. Once you're done, you're done. The next thing you can do is go up here and change the font here. Right now it's on Pacifico. It's as simple as clicking the arrow and it will take you to a list of different types of fonts you can choose from. And I'm just going to choose one here that's, it's not too fancy. You see how it immediately changes. And if you want to change the color, right below the box you'll see here on two other boxes. This top box here gives you the name of the font, the size of the font, and if you want to change the color of the font, you just click the white, and again you'll be presented with the preset colors from the graphic. If you want one of these colors, let's say you want to choose the red, just to be dramatic. There you go. So it's automatically changed. Any of these elements can be moved around. Let's see. They can be moved around all over the canvas. They can be made smaller. Anything you want to do. And you see this here on the monitor. It says drag a photo here in this spot. If you already have some graphics uploaded to the program, which you probably don't since you just created your account, what you would need to do is go over here to the uploads button on the left hand side, and you'll see if you do have graphics already uploaded from your own computer, they will show here. If you don't, you simply click the upload your own image button and you'll be taken to your desktop where you can choose what graphics you want to upload. I'm just going to choose one that I already have here. You drag it over and it immediately fills the spot on the monitor. You can move it around, to make it however you want it to be, till it's perfect. You can also change the background of the main graphic. You would just click around the edges and this box, another one of these boxes will pop up. You would simply click the color, and if it's something there a color there you want to use, you can just choose it. If not, just click the box again. There you go. Simple as changing. Let's see. Anything else? Let's see. And you'll also notice, let's go back and pick a different type of graphic. To create a different type of graphic, you would simply go up here to Home, click the Home button, and you don't have to worry about saving the graphic that you were working on because it's automatically saved down here in your designs. The next type of graphic, just to give you an example of the wide variety of things you can create here, is we can create a social media graphic. And this is a graphic that you will probably post on your Facebook or Google Plus or even Pinterest profiles. Again, when you first open up the canvas here, you'll be presented with a blank canvas, and you can go right over here to your layouts and choose from a wide variety of different designs. And again, I'm just going to choose something really quick and simple that we can play around with so you can just see the different functionality. Again, this graphic, everything can be changed about it. The background, once you click around the edges, you'll be presented with this box giving you options for a different background color. Once you click on it, it's going to show whatever colors that have already been incorporated into the graphic, the standard colors. If there's not a color here that you want, you would simply click the plus sign. And again, this color wheel will pop up. And if you know the color code, you can simply enter that here, or you can just play around with it up here until you find something you like. Once you're done, click away from it, and the background is set. This envelope image here can be completely deleted, or you could play around with it to make it larger, change the color. Let's see here. There you go. As well as the text here. If you want to change the text, once you click on the text box, this option will pop up and it'll give you all the different fonts that are available. And you'll see that there are a lot of interesting fonts here, not just the plain old Arial and Tahoma fonts that you're probably used to seeing. So make sure you click something that's going to stand out. Let's see what I can click here. We can go with lobster. Lobster's always a good, well, no, that's too large. So let's choose something else. It's really too large too. You could just go here and change the font size though. Yeah, okay, that works well. Okay, so once you change the font size, you'll see that it actually fits in there quite well. And again, you can change, you can add any type of text here that you want. It doesn't have to say join our mailing list. It could say anything you want, as well as this could be a totally different graphic if you'd like to. If you have a graphic that you want to use here and you've already uploaded it to Canva, you would simply go over to your uploads section and choose it from here and drag it and bring it over and position it however you like, you know, whatever tickles your fancy. Okay, let's see. I don't think I told you about the different text overlays. If you did want to include some different text, let's say you want to delete this altogether. Let's delete this. Let's delete this one. Okay, and say you want to change it, you know, put something a little bit jazzier at the top. Let's see. This is just an example, but if you wanted to use that, you could, and you could just maneuver these graphics around until they fit perfectly together. Again, everything about this graphic can be changed. The color, the font size, everything can be changed. I mean, it's just, this program is really amazing because there are so many options. And if you actually need to get stock images, they are available here, and they're only $1 each. Once you click on backgrounds, you'll be taken to the background selections, and you'll go through a bunch of free backgrounds first, but then when you, as you keep scrolling down, you'll run into actual stock photos. And if there's something here that you like, you would just click it. It'll immediately change the image on your graphic, and you'll see here every stock photo is $1. So it's not terribly expensive, even if you did, you know, want to use the stock photos. And this is a good option because I've been to several websites that sell stock photos, and they are definitely a lot more expensive than $1. But I just wanted to give you an overview of this program. I mean, really the best thing to do is to just go to canva.com, canva.com, and get your free account. Or you could, what you would do when you go to the main, let me go back to the main screen so you can see how it works. Okay, once you go to the main website, let me log out so you can see. which you'll actually be presented with if you go to the website. Once you go to the website, this is a screen that you'll see. You'll need to enter what username you like and hit reserve. And what will happen is within a few days, someone will send you an email with your login information. So it's not going to be instantaneous. It may take maybe 2 days at the most, I think, maybe 2 or 3 days. But it's definitely worth it because it's just a really easy program to use, and I think that you'll find lots of uses for it. Okay, stay tuned for next week's tool, and thank you very much for watching.